So pineapples can be a tricky one to cut. So here I have a pineapple. We're going to cut it up for some fruit salad. So first, I'm going to take off this big thing that sometimes you see on like gaudy, hideous fruit platters. We'll stick it on there. I don't like it, but people do it. So here we go. Compost. The other end, we're going to cut off. Now we stand it up on the flat cut side. So now I'm going to peel the pineapple skin. You may want to use a serrated knife. It might work a little bit easier for you. But just as you slice down, you're going to roll your wrist to the curvature of the pineapple. You'll see as I skin the pineapple, you're going to end up with these that come off. You just want to start your cut beyond that, not at the skin. So you're getting rid of all of that. And then when you're done getting all the skin off, if you have a little bit, you can go through and clean it up how you like. Then what I'll do for fruit salad is I'm going to cut straight down the core. I'm going to cut the pineapple exactly in half. I will turn it. I'm going to cut it in half again. And so I am left with these nice like wedges of pineapple. Here we go. Now, you're going to have a quarter of the core in there. So I'll stand it up. You'll be able to see where the core is, and I'll just cut it at an angle and just kind of get rid of the core. And now I'm left with sort of these slabs of pineapple with no core on it. And I'm just going to go, these I'll cut into thirds. Diced pineapple. Also, pro tip, if your pineapple is very, very ripe, these core pieces you cut off make a great little snack to gnaw on.